Hello aspirants, welcome to InCard IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the Punjab state. We are going to extensively covering the physical characteristics of Punjab, natural vegetation, regional festival, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicators, historical site, heritage site, national park, biosphere resource and also the wildlife sanctuary, which is very much important for the UPSC prelims and also the all competitive examinations. Punjab, that is a land of fire rivers like Satluj, Bees, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. That is only Satluj and Bees flows through modern Indian Punjab. That is situated in the northwestern India. That is border like Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, and also the Pakistan West is covering the international borders, which is headquartered Chandigarh. It is formed in the year of 1st November 1966. It has 22 districts. It has many languages. Punjabi is a main language and Saraiki dialect, Malwai dialect, Doabi dialect, Potwari dialect and also Pavadi dialect, Majhi dialect. These are the major important dialects which are spoken in Punjab region. It has approximately 30 million as per the 2023 estimate, and major religion present in the Punjab is Sikhism or the majority, followed by the Hinduism and also the Islam. So it is known for the granary of India, that is bread basket of India, land of 5 rivers, granary of India, largest orange producing state in India, growing in manufacturing and also textile industries. Physical characteristics of Punjab, it is due to the 5 rivers, the Punjab is a fertile plain and southeast region semi-arid and transforms into desert landscape. A belt of hills along with the northeastern part of state at the foot Himalayas. The natural vegetation present in the Punjab, that is a tropical thorn towards the southwest, moist temperate in the northeast, tropical moist deciduous in between. So these are the major important natural vegetations which is present in the Punjab, and key points about the Punjab. The major rivers, Bees flowing from the rivers Vyas, Gund at Rotang Pass to the Satluj. Satluj flowing from the Rakas Tal near Maneshwar Lake to the Chenab. Kalibain, that is a major Lori. These are the major rivers flows into the Punjab. Major regional festivals, it is rich in music, Bhangra dance, folk tradition and also Punjabi culture. With the vibrant festivals like Lori, Hola Mohalla, Baisakhi, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Rakri Vaishakhi. These are the major regional festivals celebrated in the Punjab region. Major art forms of Punjab is a Bhangra dance, Jumar, Gida, Ludi, Damal, Dankara, Jago, Kikili, Katak. These are the major important art forms in the Punjab. Major important tradition, that is a Chowk Purna mud wall painting is very much important art form of Punjab. The major industry that is present in the Punjab, that is a cotton, sugar, leather, sports, idle, automobiles, chemicals, textiles, dairy products, machine tools. These are the major important industry. Actually, the Punjab is mainly known for the granary, so economy driven by the agriculture, particularly wheat and rice, and growing manufacturing, textiles and small scale industries are growing nowadays. The agricultural mainly cultivated cardamom, millet, corn, rubber, cotton, nuts, sugarcane, wheat and rice. The major minerals present in this region was iron and gypsum. The geographical indication of Punjab is Pulkari from Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. The key points about the Punjab state, that is the state bat is boss, state animal is black buck, the state tree is a shisham tree, the state flower is Lilium candidum. These are the important about the Punjab. State bat is boss, state animals is black buck, the state tree is shisham tree, the state flower is Lilium candidum, that is Madonam lily. These are the major important points about Punjab. Important historical sites. The Harappan sites, the Dropa, Roopnagar district will be present in this Punjab region. Jallianwala Bagh, that is a famous massacre massacre happened in the Jallianwala Bagh region. That is Amritsar. The important Ramsar sites are Hariki wetland and Kanjli wetland. Hariki wetland and Kanjli wetland are the important Ramsar sites. Important wildlife sanctuary, there is a Bir Maheshwala Wildlife Sanctuary, Bir Motibag Wildlife Sanctuary, Harike Lake Wildlife Sanctuary, Jajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary, Katalur Kushlian Wildlife Sanctuary, Chakni Rahampur Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the major important wildlife sanctuary which is present in this Punjab region. It is a birthplace of Sikkim, so the home to Golden Temple and Harmandir Sahib in Amritsar, the holy site of Sikhism, and also important historical sites like independence movement, that is a Jallianwala Bagh, and also there is a famous Amritsar, that's Golden Temple, Wagah border, the ceremony, and partition museum, Anandpur Sahib, the key Sikh religion center, and also Patiala, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, known for the culture, sports, goods, and textiles. So it is a very much famous city in geographical and also the cultural. Thank you so much.